The ancient clock tower looms over the town square, its silent face casting a shadow of mystery. Tia and Tofu stand at the foot of the clock tower, their expressions a mix of curiosity and apprehension. Tia says, "That clock tower looks spooky, but maybe it's hiding a secret. Every mystery is an adventure waiting to happen. Let's go see." Tia and Tofu heave open the clock tower door, its rusted hinges groaning in protest, inviting them into shadows. Sunlight streams through the grimy windows, illuminating motes of dust dancing in the silent air. Tofu pauses, listening intently. All the clocks seem stopped, but I can hear a gentle tick. Tock. It's like the tower has a heartbeat. Tia and Tofu cautiously enter the clock tower's main hall, where shadows dance ominously. Cobwebs stretch like ghostly curtains. Cold air fills their lungs. Frozen clockwork mechanisms line the walls, silent witnesses to stop time. Maybe the magic of time is still here, waiting to be unlocked, Tia murmurs, her voice echoing slightly. A soft, echoing voice fills the silent clock tower. Mr. Tick's voice echoes. "Who's there?" "I am Mr. Tick, the keeper of this tower. I never meant to frighten anyone. I only long for the days when the stars sang with life." Tia responds with determination. "We're not afraid, Mr. Tick. We want to listen and help. Your story sounds special." Dusty books and broken clocks surround Mr. Tick, a spectral figure in his chamber. Tia and Tofu listen intently, sunlight illuminating their faces. Mr. Tick reveals, "A magical key, lost long ago, can restart the grand clock and bring the tower back to life." Tofu exclaims with determination, "Yes. We believe every ghost has a tale, and every clock deserves a chance to tick again." Amidst the dust-filled air of the hidden room, Tia notices a loose brick. "Look, Tofu. Behind that old bookshelf, there's a loose brick. Maybe something's hidden there." Tofu responds with excitement. "Great eye, Tia. Let's see if we can find the lost key and bring back the magic." Tia and Tofu rush back, ready to save the day. The key slides into the grand clock, hope sparking in their eyes. The clockwork mechanism whirs to life, the sound reverberating through the tower as time is restored. "Thank you, Tia and Tofu. Your kindness and courage have not only revived my clock, but also the spirit of this tower. It's alive again." The clock tower stands tall, its illuminated face a beacon in the night. Tia, Tofu, and Mr. Tick watch, united as the tower shines, echoing hope through the town. In unison, they declare, "Kindness and courage can restore even the oldest hearts."